Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're transforming a simple mug into a piece of art with our custom bone under stove adhesive vinyl stencil using the Cricut Explore 3. We'll kick off by designing the stencil and tidying up the background. Next, we'll import it into Cricut Design Space, resize it to a neat 6 centimeters in height, and get our adhesive vinyl prepped on the cutting mat. Then it's on to cutting, weeding the design, applying transfer tape, and finally, transferring the stencil onto the mug. Let's dive in and get creative. Let's start by opening boneunderstove.png in Preview on your Mac. Once the image is open, click on the Markup toolbar and select the Instant Alpha tool, the magic wand icon. With the tool active, gently click and drag over the background area you wish to remove. You'll notice the unwanted parts highlighted, allowing you to adjust the selection until only the background is marked. When you're satisfied, hit Delete to remove it, giving you full control over the fine details of your stencil. Alternatively, you can use an online tool like www.remove.bg to automatically remove the background. Do keep in mind that while it's quick, the results may not be perfect and might require some manual touch-ups. Additionally, if you have a paid subscription service for Cricut, you can also access background removal tools directly within the platform. Open Cricut Design Space and start a new project. Click on Upload Image and select your prepared boneunderstove.png file, which now has the background removed. Once it appears in your workspace, select the image and adjust its size by setting the height to 6 centimeters. Notice the lock icon. Ensure it's in the locked position so the width automatically adjusts to maintain the correct aspect ratio, keeping your design perfectly balanced. Finally, drag the image into the top left corner of your canvas. This placement is ideal for optimizing the cutting layout on your mat. Once your design is set in Cricut Design Space and your adhesive vinyl is smoothly applied to the cutting mat, it's time to bring your project to life. Click the Make It button and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Cricut Explore 3. Once connected, choose the adhesive vinyl setting to guarantee the proper blade depth and pressure for a flawless cut. Next, carefully load your mat into the machine. You'll notice a dedicated scroll button that automatically aligns your design for perfect placement. Simply press it to ensure your design is positioned precisely on the mat. Finally, press the Go button and watch as the machine begins cutting your design with precision, transforming your vinyl into a beautifully crafted stencil ready for application. Now that your vinyl has been cut, it's time to move on to the weeding process. Carefully lift the cut vinyl from the mat, ensuring you don't disturb the intricate details of your design. With your weeding tool in hand, gently remove the excess vinyl that isn't part of the final stencil. Take your time to work around the delicate areas, particularly the small internal cutouts, to ensure that only the desired parts remain. This meticulous step is crucial in achieving a clean, precise stencil that's ready for transfer onto your project. Now that your design is cut and weeded, it's time to transfer the vinyl onto transfer paper. Carefully lay a piece of transfer tape over the cut vinyl, ensuring your entire design is covered. With a scraper tool, firmly press the tape from the center outwards to eliminate any air bubbles and ensure complete adhesion. This step is essential. A smooth, bubble-free tape means a more precise transfer. Slowly peel the tape away, checking that the vinyl lifts off perfectly with it. For a successful transfer, work on a clean, dust-free surface and consider lightly warming the vinyl with a hairdryer to enhance its tackiness if needed. This careful preparation will ensure that your design is transferred cleanly and accurately onto the transfer paper, ready for application onto your final project. Now that your vinyl design is securely on the transfer tape, it's time to apply it to your mug. Start by cleaning the mug thoroughly with a suitable cleaning agent or isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust, oils, or residues that might interfere with adhesion. Once dry, Carefully position the transfer paper with your vinyl design onto the mug in your desired orientation. Using a scraper or squeegee, gently press the design onto the curved surface, starting from the center and working outwards to eliminate any air bubbles and ensure full contact. Take your time with this step. Applying even pressure is key to a smooth, successful transfer. If needed, you can lightly warm the vinyl with a hairdryer to increase its tackiness for better adhesion. Once you're satisfied that the design is securely in place, slowly peel back the transfer paper at a steady angle, making sure the vinyl remains on the mug. If you notice any areas that haven't fully adhered, press them back down with your tool. With careful attention, your custom bone understove stencil will be perfectly transferred, ready for you to enjoy your beautifully customized mug. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our creative journey transforming a mug with our custom adhesive vinyl stencil. If you found this inspiring and helpful, please do give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support really motivates us to keep crafting and sharing more exciting projects. Cheers, and see you in the next video.